Welcome to this EDUbrief, delivering user experience for multi-vendor unified communications Microsoft Teams, sponsored by Viopta and Telecom Reseller. I'm Gary Auden. Microsoft Teams is a common and frequently deployed for unified communications and associated applications. You also know that Teams cloud-based service will be working with multiple vendors and providers to implement an end-to-end collaboration experience. Teams is Microsoft's proprietary cloud-based unified and collaboration service offered through Office 365 that integrates with other Microsoft applications including Word, Outlook, and SharePoint. Teams competes with similar services offering workspace chat, voice and video conferencing, file storage, and application integration. Teams replaces other Microsoft-operated business messaging and collaboration platforms, including Skype for Business. According to a survey performed by Viopta, the vast majority of users, about 80%, employ a Windows-based platform. The remaining 20% of users employ Mac, Surface Hub, and 4 other platforms. Collaboration connections should not be interrupted. You don't want a reputation of wasted time due to disruptions. In the next 2 years, only 34% of companies will be able to support hybrid and remote workers' unified communications performance with their present systems, according to Forrester. Forrester also determined that 73% of organizations prioritize digital experience as the most important goal of the IT department. To do this, it is anticipated that $300 billion will be spent improving user collaboration experiences. Executives report that 73% of organizations are losing client opportunities or missing deadlines due to collaboration problems, according to Wakefield Market Research Survey. Poor quality experience occurs in about 20% of the daily meetings. What is worst of all is that most cannot be fixed since 90% of the problems are not reported. The collaboration users just learn to live with poor experiences or find alternatives outside the IT environment, possibly creating security risks. This makes collaboration monitoring and problem analysis essential if the organizations want to gain all the collaboration benefits and deliver a positive return on investment. Remote workers can be anywhere at any time. Most users are working from home, which is not the best environment for effective collaboration, not as good as the office. Wi-Fi networks at home can be congested with non-work traffic as well as picking up background noise. Small remote offices may be using internet access services that are inferior to the main office network. In any case, there will be other vendors' products and services that are not part of Microsoft Teams 365 service. The Teams cloud-based platform is at the center of the collaboration service. Surrounding it will be organizations' meeting rooms with various equipment, multiple call controllers such as Cisco and Avaya, session border controllers, and SIP endpoints. There will be connections to cloud video interop with services like BlueJeans and WebEx. All of these present monitoring problems for delivering high-performance, unified communications connections. Managing hybrid work environments is complex. The end result of most collaboration sessions is that at least 20% of the user sessions experience some form of performance impairment. Most users just learn to live with them. In fact, 90% do not even report the problems. This interferes with the session productivity and discourages the use of Teams, thereby reducing the Teams' return on investment. The Teams Cloud Platform does not cover all of the technologies employed in the collaboration sessions. A single collaboration session can generate over 10,000 data points, too many for the IT staff to be able to keep current with and review. You also need to avoid false positive notices that produce no useful outcome. You do not want to monitor the sessions using multiple vendors' technologies and then have to individually coordinate the information. You need a single dashboard that consolidates all the relevant information from multiple sources. When you're considering a platform to monitor the collaboration sessions, you need to establish your goals first. The monitoring platform needs to be proactive, thereby locating trends and problems before the users complain. The next goal is to isolate the root causes and report notifications without creating false positives. Problems can occur in the user's home networks and technologies as well as the network connected to teams. You want to be notified of anomalies that cause disconnects. Finally, the monitoring platform should be able to be used by generalists, like help desk and support people, and not require Tier 2 and Tier 3 experts. You will have to justify the monitoring platform. A cloud-based solution connecting to all your technologies can provide 24-hour support every day. The cloud-based platform will run in an automated and continuous operation. Filters should be available to deliver standard and custom notifications. It should support a reduced IT monitoring staff that does not require a lot of training to be effective. The return on investment should be positive and be produced rapidly, not after years of use. Vyopta is a leader in digital collaboration user experience management, has helped 40 million people collaborate better. Its collaboration performance management and workspace insights for technology and workspaces have helped identify and address over 9 million issues. Vyopta helps organizations deliver the best unified communications user experience and optimize their unified communications and real estate investments. Hundreds of organizations spanning 20+ industries use Vyopta to monitor 6 million endpoints and over 20 billion meeting minutes a year. Thank you for viewing this EDUbrief presentation, delivering user experience from multi-vendor unified communications Microsoft Teams. You can view other Vyopta EDUbriefs and blogs at vyopta.com. I look forward to viewing another EDUbrief in the future.